Hello everyone. So in this video we actually want to compare Dyson's Airwrap styling tool with a traditional hair blow dryer. Now unfortunately we do not have Dyson's hair blow dryer because this is what we have, which is made by Good Hair Day. It's just called Good Hair Day blow dryer, and I think we bought this for about $200. So it's not a cheap blow dryer by any means. It says it had a professional hair drying motor, like the heated motor. So supposedly it's gonna dry your hair better. I only use it to dry my hair right after I take a shower, and so we don't really use it that often. Now, once we had this Dyson Airwrap we purchased a couple weeks ago, it actually came with a pretty neat feature, which is this little, it's called pre-styling tool. The little pre-styling tool, it's basically just like a miniature hair blow dryer. So we're curious to see if it actually works as good as a traditional hair blow dryer, or it's gonna, dry your hair quicker. My assumption right now, without ever testing it, I'm gonna say the traditional blow dryer is gonna have an edge to it, because first thing first, this thing, the Good Hair Day, actually have a 1600 watt motor, while the Dyson, the Airwrap, have a 1300 watt motor. So in terms of the heat and the airspeed generated, I think the Dyson is gonna come at a slight disadvantage. But that is my theory, purely based on the wattage rating of two hair blow dryers. Now the Dyson, maybe they have magically worked out a formula to make their air come out more efficiently, or maybe the air will be hotter when it comes out compared to the traditional one. I don't know. So that's what I'm gonna do in this video. We're gonna find out if the Dyson Airwrap is up to par to a traditional hair blow dryer.
Hi guys, as you can see, my hair is wet and it's divided in half and half. We're going to blow dry each side using a different blow dryer to see how long it takes for each side. So to be fair, we are setting the heat to the highest and the wind power also to the highest. Alright, let's start on my left hand side with the Good Hair Day hair blow dryer. Alright, turning it to the full shot. Okay, done.
So did it in 1 minute and 49 seconds.
Okay. Now let's try the Dyson pre-styling hair blow dryer on the other side. Alright, I think it's almost dry, so I'm gonna just give it some cool shots. And that's it. Wow! How long did I spend?
3 minutes 16 seconds.
Okay. I don't know if you have noticed this side. Let's put the time aside. My hair is tangled.
Try one of those.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
My hair is actually more tangled
What about the other side?
than the other side. Well, if you go back to see the video, you can see that the other side is a lot more easier to comb.
So can I say my conclusion is definitely you need a traditional hair blow dryer if you need to dry your hair much quicker.
If
and
blow
in a nicer
drying
way.
is your primary goal of using this, we definitely would recommend that you still keep your good conventional blow dryer. But let me add on. Let me add something to this. First of all, the temperature is not as hot as the Good Hair Day blow dryer. So toward the end, I didn't even feel it's necessary to use the cool shot to cool my hair down. But the other one definitely it's needed. So that's probably why it took longer for the Dyson pre-styling tool to blow dry my hair. But on another note, for the namesake, it's called pre-styling tool, so I don't think it should be considered as a full replacement of a conventional hair dryer. The purpose for it is to dry your hair to not drippy, to the damp state, so that you can go on with your other styling tools to go on with your hair routine. So
in conclusion, I think my speculation at the very beginning is correct. The Dyson pre-styling tool from the Airwrap is not going to replace your traditional hair dryer. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much.
Can you do a comparison of? Is there a difference between the sheen of?
They both have
They're
ionic
both
technology, so both of them looks pretty nice when it's dried. The sheen looks exactly the same.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
I can't
most
tell any
most hair
difference.
dryers nowadays have ionic technology, like even the cheapest one. So if you're thinking if ionic technology is something you're concerned of, don't be. So there you have it, guys. Based on the video you've seen, I think the traditional hair blow dryer is still gonna have its place in your toolbox, and the pre-styling tool, it's really nice to have as the I would say it's more gimmick than actually being used for, honestly, but it's cool to have, but it's not gonna replace your blow dryer. So anyway, if you guys have any more questions about the Dyson Airwrap, feel free to ask us in the comment section. And again, thank you so much for watching, and take care, guys.